Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I thought it would be fun to step in front of the camera for today's episode. It's a bit out of my comfort zone to be honest, but we have such a fun movie awaiting for you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And let's get this started. Get ready for episode 3, a week in the life of El Burro. So what happened this week? First of all, there was a lot of wind in the marina and Greg noticed, luckily on time, that one of our mooring lines broke. The mooring line is basically a piece of rope attached to a chain to prevent the boat from drifting. They help maintain a safe distance between boats in the marina, reducing the risk of collisions. So they hold the boat in place and also help to protect the hull from contact with the dock. So when they break, it's not good, especially when a lot of wind is predicted. Luckily we saw it in time and we had the luck that our neighbors went on the dry with their boat so we could take the mooring line off them. With the predicted wind, we thought it would be better to remove the bimini. We gave it a wash, hung it up to dry and also hung up our laundry. A couple of days later, we noticed the marina sent over a diver to replace the chain of the mooring line. We had many relaxing days aboard, just sitting and enjoying a coffee. We also gave Nelly a carton box, which she uses as a hideout spot. We joined the marina barbecue. Greg checked the diesel filter. And unfortunately found a crack in the water separator bowl, so we need to replace that one. Nelly took a lot of naps, but I have to admit I also took many of them. I worked a bit in our garden and we enjoyed just reading books aboard. Hello, it's me again. It's currently getting dark outside, so that's why I'm using this light. But hope you like this episode so far. What else did we do this week? Well, we had a lot of fun with the drone actually. Let me show you. So this was only a small part of the drone shots I made. You will see more of them later in this episode. What else happened this week? Did I already mention that Greg had the great idea to go on an evening hike?
Yes, this is the face of someone who regrets this hike.
Okay, it wasn't actually that bad, but okay. What else did we do? We volunteered at a charity for stray cats. It's called Vocal Greet. I will put the link to their Facebook page in the description below. And they basically treat sick cats. They give them a medical treatment. They also put up some neutering campaigns. They do a lot of things, and we were there for 2 days to take care of the cats that were just neutered and make sure that they were comfortable when they woke up. And yeah, let me show you. So the cats you see in the larger cages, those are the ones that are there because of a medical treatment, and then the ones in the smaller cages like this one, this just got neutered and just woke up. So we still had a rental car, and we discovered many beautiful hikes here in the area. There are many gorges, and one of them is Sarakinas Gorge. So join me in a hike. Let's go. It's still quite warm during the day. Even today it was 21 degrees, but I really like how it cools down during the evening. I really like those cozy moments aboard, and also the fun evenings we have in the marina with the fellow liveaboards. Let me show you. As you saw in the previous episode, I bought some mountain tea from a monastery and I really liked it one, especially with a little bit of honey. I also like the pizzeria they have here. It's called Al Dente and they have a good pepperoni pizza. Even Nelly loves it. Greg bought me a little Christmas flower and I love the cozy evening support where I can just read a magazine or a book. And especially I love the evenings where Greg bakes something. Here he's making a brownie. We had no clue what was written on the packaging. I also like the evenings where I can focus on editing or writing a blog while watching a Netflix movie. I also enjoy the evenings where we go out with fellow liveaboards or stay in and play a board game. We are almost at the end of this episode, but I would still like you to join me on another hike that we did at the Richtis Gorge. So that was another beautiful hike here on Crete and I can really recommend it. But I also have to be honest, the way back to our car in the end was really killing us. It was way longer and way higher than we initially thought. But hey, we made it, otherwise we wouldn't be sitting here. Now the next thing I just want to show you are just some small road trip movies, and that's basically it then for episode 3. So if you like it, hit the like button. Would also be great if you can put a comment what you think of the movie. If you have any recommendations, I would really love to hear them. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you would like to be informed of future movies. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.